All right, I should be live. Hello, everyone. Jordan here from Cloud Underground. I hope everybody is having an excellent Thursday. Today I'm kind of here to do my normal thing, but I'm gonna switch things up a little bit today because we have released a new website, and I want to kind of talk a little bit about that today. So yeah, thank you everybody for being here, for joining me if you are. I will try and follow LinkedIn comments. Make sure that's off. Yeah, so I should be following any LinkedIn comments that are happening. So if you're watching this on LinkedIn, you have any questions, please feel free to chime in, and I'll try and get to you. Forgive me if I'm not instantaneous, but yeah, I'll do my best. So anyway, yeah, today, like I said, we are unveiling a new website. So we completely redesigned the old website. And, since I've been talking about the old website a lot in these streams, I figured I would kind of hop in here and kind of run through the new website a little bit and show you what's changed, because it really, I mean, it's been basically completely reconfigured, right? So this is our home page. One nice thing is that we now have a banner up at the top that's telling you about the hackathon and seminar, which is happening in 15 days, 7 hours, and 35 minutes. So if you are at all interested in joining us for the hackathon and seminar, you should take a look at that. So again, this is our home page. And we've changed the look of everything a little bit. So we're the cloud native asset management company. So we're trying to make it a little more clear what we do now. Here is that. If you scroll down a little bit more, the DevSecOps 101 live workshop and hackathon that we're doing, and you can learn more about it here. And if you click sign up now, that'll bring you to the page and gives you all like the reasons you should be there. There's going to be industry professionals there. You'll learn a bunch. You'll get access to, everybody who is there, so good networking opportunities and things of that nature. And you should learn a lot if you come and attend and participate. So yeah, check that out. Again, that's happening June 24th, 2023, so 15 days, 7 hours. This new countdown timer thing is pretty helpful up there. So anyway, that's the live workshop and virtual hackathon, so you guys should all come check that out. Another cool thing in our homepage now is that we have we do have some gear that we are selling. So if you are interested in getting a shirt or water bottle, phone case, or some stickers with our logo on them, then that's all really easy to find now right here on the homepage. Or you can click on this gear button, should get you to the same place. Talks about what we're selling and why, and but yeah, now this is also on the homepage, so that's kind of cool. We've got a bunch of our class offerings now down here too, so you can check out Master of the Cloud if you're interested in that. And more of our course offerings here on the bottom, you can kind of scroll through. So these are all of the learning experiences that you can get through us, the things that we offer. So we offer a whole bunch of different courses if you want to learn about like the ways that we've built our company and how we do what we do. And if you want to try and replicate things, we basically will teach you how to do all of this stuff. If you are interested in checking out any of our courses, I really highly recommend that you start probably here with Cloud Jitsu, because it has a whole lot of kind of the beginning information and talks about I don't know how to set up what we do and how to set up a zero trust cockpit, more importantly, which is basically a containerized operating system that has bunch of media creation tools built into it so that you could make a stream like the one that I'm making now. You can create demos very easily with like OBS Studio and things like that. You can edit your videos, so you can record them with OBS. You can edit them with Kdenlive, which is built into that. That's an editing program, and all of these other really cool things that you can do. Anyway, so that's the Zero Trust Cockpit and the Cloud Jitsu program. And this is a fairly cheap course. It's only $24 to get involved. There's a lot of info in it. I'll just show you real quick. Okay, well, we'll get to that in a minute, actually. But yeah, it's good stuff. If you want to kind of figure out if what we're doing makes sense for you to basically buy our products and learn more that we offer, then the Cloud Jitsu program is a really good place to get started with that. It's only $24, and if you join our DevSecOps dojo and come in there and ask us, we will actually get you a code to get this for free, so that you can check that out. But if you want to support us, then that $24 is also great to, it helps us kind of keep the lights on and keep all of these resources available to you and everything else. So totally check that out. So yeah, that's kind of what the new homepage looks like. And then we have a whole tab dedicated to the Underground Nexus, which is really nice. So you can click on this tab and just learn about what the Underground Nexus is. It's the big tool that we've been developing for years, essentially, at this point, that has all kinds of really, really useful tools built into it, like secret vaults, data management programs, S3 bucket management programs. It's got, Portainer is the kind of the control panel for it, but it's got webtops, demo spaces, all of this crazy stuff. And so this is where you can kind of go to learn more about the Underground Nexus. We have a dedicated tab now for it, and learn about how it works and how to build it for free. If you click build free on GitHub, I'm assuming that takes you here to our GitHub page, which tells you exactly how to deploy an Underground Nexus. So let me flipping through here so quick. So this is our GitHub page for the Underground Nexus. It's got all the resources in the Nexus. You can basically learn about what version you're using, how to install it, what it's all about, how to access all of the tools that are in it, et cetera, et cetera. So that's super useful. It's nice that we've got a link built into that. I think we did before, but anyway, so yeah, check out this page if you're curious about the Underground Nexus and what it does. If you want to see what an Underground Nexus instance looks like, we can take a quick look here. This one's just all vanilla still pretty much. So this is an Ubuntu Mate webtop that is part of the Underground Nexus and gives you access to a lot of the tools and other features of the Nexus. So if we go to Internet and we open up a web browser, we will have a home page that kind of gets us to a lot of the tools that are available here. And then all those tools are also available over here. So we've got Portainer here. I think this is just our website. We got Pi-hole. Oh, now it's giving me the... Yeah, so that's our website. We got Pi-hole that's built into the Underground Nexus, Visual Studio Code, which I talked about last time, Mini IO console. We've got your vault here, and then another essentially webtop that's like a collaborative workspace. So cool stuff here. And then the main page that you get to here in the Underground Nexus also gives you links on how to learn about this stuff, or links to get to all of these different tools and the information on how to access them, essentially. So going back to our website here, yeah, we just have a nice spot for the Underground Nexus. The next thing is we've got a tab for the DevSecOps Dojo up here. So if you're interested in joining our DevSecOps Dojo, which is the Discord server that we have for our community that people can join and get involved in what we're doing and all of that sort of thing. And if you need to ask, if you want to ask us questions or learn more about the product, or you need troubleshooting or technical help, the DevSecOps Dojo is probably the best place to do most of that. So we've got a nice tab now. It's for checking out the DevSecOps Dojo and learning how to get involved, and got some copy that talks about what it's all about. So that's super cool. The next tab that we have is our services tab. So you can learn about all of the different services that we offer through Cloud Underground here. So we've got the GitOps Developer Vault. We've got, when I'll let you, if you're interested in these things, kind of read about them. Because, yeah, I mean, they're complex products that if you need, they will help you out a lot. But you are going to have to figure out whether or not you need them. And the copy will be helpful. So then we've got another version of that developer vault that's the DevSecOps edition of it. We've got our Nexus Zero annual plan here. So you can learn all about that and what that entails. We've got Underground Ops consulting hours if you want to buy hours from any of us directly for consulting purposes. This is where you would do that. And then we've got official GitLab licenses that we sell through GitLab. So if you are working with GitLab a lot and you need a license, then we can help you out with that through the Underground Nexus. And it's all Underground Nexus ready stuff. So yeah, some of the very cool offerings that we have. And then we also offer linked to be, we can be a LinkedIn brand assessment like consultant for you if you need those services. So all kinds of really cool stuff, and you can learn about all these services. We've got some copy that talks about what they are about, what they do, so you can go learn about all that stuff. And then of course the other big thing that we offer in Cloud Underground is learning opportunities for people who want to get more involved in DevSecOps or CI/CD pipelines or whatever. We want to like get more involved in that sort of thing, learn more about it. Then our academy is a great place to do that because we've got all kinds of courses. So this is the hackathon and seminar that's happening in June. So that's the first thing that we've got here. But then we've got all of these other courses as well. If you want to, master the cloud. The Cloud Jitsu program, which is kind of has our dojo prereqs if you're trying to get belts in the dojo. You do that through this, and then it also tells you how to build that Zero Trust cockpit, which is the streaming application. Really cool stuff. You should go check all of that out. And then we've got a bunch of other courses, and I'll let you kind of peruse through those and read them at your leisure. You can click view all to see all of them at once. So yeah, these are all of the courses that we are offering. And if you want to learn, like WordPress, or you want to learn GitLab, or you want to learn how to build a minimal viable product, or build your own software factory, or learn how to automate boring things, or master the cloud, that's all right here in the Academy page. So go and take a look at that. For those of you who have already bought some of these courses, let's click here. So you'll notice that we still have, I guess for those of you who have already purchased something from us, you see you can still log into your account up here with this little button, but that will basically just take you to an account page that shows you what purchases you've made and gives you a little bit of information about your account. Before you would use that to also get to your courses, but now if you already have purchased courses, you will go to the Academy login to get to those. And if you click Academy login, where you will end up is right here, and it'll show you the courses that you have bought through us. And then if you've already bought courses, they've been updated recently. So like the Cloud Jitsu course, for those of you who already own this, if you look at it, you'll see it looks a little bit different now. I mean, basically all the same info is there. I don't think that the actual substance of the course has been changed much in the last couple of weeks. Although we do add to these, and if you already own the course, then you will get whatever updates we have in the future forever. So uh, if you're worried about like, oh, I don't want to purchase now because I don't know, what if it changes or whatever? That's not a valid concern you have to worry about because you will get whatever changes we make in the future. But yeah, I mean, I think it's a little easier to view a lot of these things now. So yeah, definitely improvement. And if you are interested in this course, then I encourage you to either go check it out, go throw down to $24 for it, or join the DefSecOps dojo, and we can hook you up with that. Um, so that's pretty much everything. The only thing left is this gear tab here, and if you want to buy like a tie-dye shirt with our logo embroidered on it, you can do that here. We've got bottles, like I said, cell phone cases, and which I'm sure looks like iPhone only. And then we've got some stickers. These shirts are really nice, actually. I know they're a little bit on the expensive side, but the tie-dye job they did is really cool on them. And then they're actually embroidered. It's not a printed logo; it's embroidered on, so it will last essentially as long as the shirt. So they're really nice, high quality shirts, and same with the bottle and the cases. It's all really good stuff. So if you are interested in what we're doing, or even you just like our aesthetic or whatever it is, we please buy some stuff from the gear shop. We've got some cool offerings, and if anybody, I guess if anybody's really interested in like some other item, you can always get into the dojo and kind of let us know that we should be offering something else. Um, but for now, we're kind of keeping it fairly simple with just these offerings in terms of physical items that you can buy from us. But it's super cool stuff. So I encourage you to go check it out. I don't think anybody will regret it. The folks that we know that have made purchases have been really happy so far with the stuff they've gotten. So cool, that's our new website. I hope this wasn't too darn boring for folks, but I did want to introduce it because a lot of work went into it, and I think it looks really good. And yeah, I mean, if you've got suggestions or whatever, feel free to sling them at us in the dojo or even in LinkedIn. But yeah, that's pretty much that. Let's see if I'm seeing what's going on in LinkedIn. Doesn't look like I've missed much. So I think with that, I am going to hop into Terraria for just a little bit. So let me do that. So Terraria, for those who haven't been to this stream before, Terraria is like a 2D kind of a 2D-ish version of Minecraft. It's definitely the best direct comparison, where you basically are building things and crafting items and fighting bosses, and it's very much a kind of like choose your own adventure sort of a game. Like there's not a lot of narrative or anything that like puts you on a set of like train rails that basically has you go through the game, right? You kind of go where you want when you want and do what you want when you want, except for bosses will show up and try and kill you occasionally. And this particular Terraria server is running in an underground Nexus instance that we have set up. Cool, here we go. Oh, and let me move my LinkedIn stuff so I can still see if comments come in. And I will do a quick refresh just to make sure I'm not missing anything, but doesn't look like I am. All right. So yeah, so this is inside the Terraria server. So this Terraria server, it just runs all the time basically. The nice thing about the Terraria servers is that if nobody's in them, they go idle, so they're not running all the time if they're not actually doing something. But yeah, I mean, this server, it's always ready to go. It's running in an instance of the Underground Nexus on its own webtop. So that's how and it's kind of makes it nice and modular and easy to kind of move around and do stuff like that. And it works really well too. So this is not on a LAN. I'm playing several hundred miles away from the location where the server is located, and you can see like the level of lag I have is really low, and it works really well. So yeah, here's Terraria. So one of the things I wanted to try and do today in Terraria. Oh, I'm also I'll turn on some music here. But one of the things I want to try to do is get this yo-yo that's the best yo-yo pre-hard mode. Okay. But first, let's turn on a little bit of music. So, at Cloud Underground, we have a 24-hour-a-day live radio station that runs in YouTube. So if anybody likes the music that I'm playing or is interested in checking it out, you can go to YouTube and search for Cloud Underground, and you should be able to find our radio station and watch the stream. And it's all essentially open license music, so you can use it for, as long as it's not commercial purposes, and yeah, play it on streams or whatever without worrying about getting DMCA strikes against you or anything like that. So just a little background on the music stream. Alright, so there's the music stream. So yeah, if you, like I said, go to YouTube and check it out. It's pretty cool. And then I'm going to go down to the underworld. So I want to explore down in the underworld a bit. I'm going to have to fight a boss down here before too long. And there's some items that I would like to get down here. Fortunately, I can walk on water, or on lava now, which is going to make life a lot easier. So I've explored kind of far this way. I'm going to explore the other direction now. Oh, my inventory is totally full. I didn't realize. Oh, I better deal with that real quick. All right. I've got too much stuff. Gotta get rid of a bunch of stuff. But so much of this junk. This just goes everywhere, of course. Alright. Gotta sell some stuff here. I think I've got a number of these dark mage masks already. Sell off those. Yeah, I got one at least. Sell off the second one. Alright, alright, alright. Yeah, okay. Well, anyway, sorry, I was just planning. Planning what I'm gonna do with all this stuff. I got more stuff than I know what to do with. Selling these dark mage masks. I know I've got too many snow pants. I'll keep most of the rest of this stuff. I don't need torches. I need to get rid of those torches. I got all these items for fighting the Old One's army that I need to get rid of. And the place where I do that is down in my mushroom land. And I also like to keep these things. Increases your maximum of sentries by 1. Increases summon damage by 10. So I guess I should just... Well, I'm going to keep this... No, I'll keep this with the regular modification items, which is all this stuff that I need to get rid of. Oh, I got potions I don't need. I should ditch that. Okay, I almost used stuff again. And I guess in the pig I'll throw all of this, but this for now. The pig is a little full. I need to deal with that at some point. I'm not going to worry about that now. The other thing I'm going to do, because I've got a bunch of slush and silt, is just break all of that into items. So we feed the slush or silt into this thing called the extractinator here. And it kicks out money and kicks out ore and precious gems, essentially. And it'll free up my inventory a little bit to get rid of this stuff, so. I do like watching the money roll in. It's kind of something satisfying about that. Unfortunately, it's very quick to offload all that stuff. Hey, I've got a platinum. Wow. What? Did I just... I'm assuming it didn't kick a platinum out at me. That's crazy. What? Huh. Anyway, doesn't matter. Alright, and now my inventory is pretty well cleared up. So I can go back down to the basement. Why does this door never seem to stay closed? Alright. I got rid of the shield. Why? Oh. I have multiple of these shields. I didn't realize. Well, let me offload that real quick. Fancy. All right. Keep dropping a little too far. Alright, now I can fight the demons and not be worried about my inventory filling up. Also, I'm probably going to just break holes through these things where I need to, because it'll be very helpful when fighting the wall of flesh to kind of have stuff like that made, you know what I mean? Just lots of holes to get through because the wall of flesh chases pretty fast and you gotta be ready. Nice. Oh, that's a good one. Mystic Flower of Fire. Not bad. Man, something disconcerting about being down in the lava land. Nice. That is not what I wanted to do. Shoot fires. Okay. Try and fix the damage I've just done to my inventory here. I have a certain way of having everything organized, and I just screwed it all up. Truly, screwed it all up. That's very frustrating. Alright, guy, come back here. We gotta deal with you. Alright, that should be good. Loot it. Oh, the thing that I wanted to... That's the other thing I needed to move. What is this? Whoa. Whoa, whoa, you can control these fireballs? Oh, that is cool. So, if you have a weird spot like this, for instance, let's replace my scepter with that. Huh. These buildings are so frustrating. They're really mazy. I should be taking all these chests with me. I like to pick up chests when I loot them, so I'm not like constantly looting things I've already looted. I guess you can tell that they're unlocked though too, so I'm not gonna worry about it. Oh, is this heat seeking? Oh wow. Holy crap, that is a good item. Like, real good. I can't mine hellstone with this? Oh, I can't, you're right, huh. Figure as long as I'm here, I should grab some hellstone, but... yeah, I don't know why. I've got plenty of it. Whoa, look at this fancy chest. Can I open this guy? Oh, yep. Lots of stuff to loot down here. Where do I gotta go to get the enemies, though? Because the yo-yo I want, you have to kill enemies, and it's a random drop. So, and if anybody's curious why I am capable of walking on the lava, it's because I have these lava walking boots. Good grief. Ooh, fire slug. I wonder if I could have caught him. I should have tried. If I see another one, I'll try and catch it. Boy, inventory's filling up fast. Getting multiple of these treasure magnets. Kind of a nice item, but I already am running one, so I don't really need a ton of them. Drop me my yo-yo! Oof, inventory's filling up real fast. Just exploring the underworld a bit. Underworld's kind of a freaky place, I gotta say. I like this little shining moon. We're taking it. And this is why I have my money trough here. We can throw things in the pig, like, you know, all these stupid things. Rows. Nah, let's keep that because I'm going through a lot of those. We'll throw this guy in here. A bunch of meteorite bar. Just a bunch of random crap. Free up some room. Dark Lance, I like it. Alright, loot all. If I see any good paintings, I'll grab them. Most of the paintings down here are kind of horrific. Which is the point, for sure. Now, what is that banner? Hellbound banner. Hellbound. Alrighty. Yeah, I just need to mine a bunch of holes in all these buildings so that when I'm fighting the wall of flesh, I'll have a way to get through them. These walls will screw me otherwise. So eventually you get to a point where they're like all these buildings that are down here in the underworld. Those are usually central on the map, so If we get to the edges, we'll get to the point where we're away from these buildings. All the jars. Well, I haven't gotten my yo-yo that I want. I'm a little sad about that. It's a 1 in 400 or 1 in 200 drop, so it's not exactly common. But I thought there'd be more enemies to get into down here. It's kind of hard to even find that many enemies. Kill this slime here, but you know. Still got plenty of, Oh, wait, what? Oh, my wasp must have killed somebody that was up here. Well, I'm gonna just have to sell some of these fire flowers. Whoa, this was a good one, though. I like how fireballs can kill fire slime. Where's my fancy yo-yo? I'm not even looting that. I got too much crap already. I really, this is a way better weapon, I would say. Although it doesn't do as much damage, does it? 37, but it's still a very good weapon. I don't know. So much to loot. I just don't have enough space. Wow. Too much to loot. Give me the gold, I guess. That's all I really want. I got 2 platinums. That's exciting. Oh. See, I think I've gotten to the point where I'm starting to get away from the underworld buildings. I mean, here's one, but... Okay, I guess I'm not totally away from them yet. Drop me a yo-yo, guys! Somebody just drop me the yo-yo I want. That's all I ask. I just want one ultra rare yo-yo. Oh, why did I sink there? That was weird. Okay, yeah, see, this seems like the part where you're away from the buildings now. So the first time I ever defeated the Wall of Flesh, I built a huge long platform that I could run across to do it, but I feel like that might not be necessary since I can just run on the lava with this character and this item. Whoa. Huh. I don't... These weird orange vines and stuff, that's kind of a new one for me. And you get into this... Oh, whoa. What? I wonder what kind of wood you get from this tree here. I don't want to cut it all down. Oh, screw it. Cut it all down, right? Like, there's got to be another one somewhere. Ash wood. I didn't know there was such a thing as ash. Wow, you learn something new every day. Who knew ashwood was a thing? Wow. Pretty cool. I like these foresty parts of the underworld. I also need to offload some more stuff, I think. Take more of these stupid weapons out of my way. Oh, I guess give me some of these potions too, I suppose. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, I'm starting to find the enemies too. I'm very curious what kind of furniture and stuff you build with the ash wood. Because that is totally new to me. Pretty sweet though. So, can I plant trees down here? Let's try and plant a tree. Indeed I can. So one would assume that will grow an ashwood tree eventually. The ashwood trees drop spicy peppers. That makes sense, I suppose. Groovy. Funky. This is wild. I really like this area. Oh, hey, we found a train track. Well, I think I have to explore that. Okay, so this is the end. Wow. Not a very long train track, was it? Where did it bring us to? Nowhere too special, it doesn't look like. A lot of silt if I wanted to harvest it, but a little too lazy for that right now. Very crazy. Whoa, what was that? I just kind of want to see the entire underworld. Oh, we found it! This is the edge! Nothing too great in here. Alright, well, that was fun. What can I make with ashwood? Oh, creepy looking stuff. Wow, yeah, real creepy looking stuff. That is not what I wanted to do. Yeah, the ash... Alright. Equip the sword, please. Alright. Yeah, so you can make all this weird... It's really... ugly. I wish it looked a little cooler. The Ashwood armor is not too bad. Ashwood hammer. Ashwood bed's kind of cool looking. It'd be fun to make a like evil house with Ashwood stuff and I don't know, the ash furniture and stuff from the underground. Anyway, cool. Cool stuff. Oh, coffin minecart. Anyway. Well, I think, let's see what this... I sell only what I can get. Graham keeps hounding me for exotic clothing. Like a mystic robe? That looks pretty cool. 2 defense. Increases magic damage and critical strike. 10... Whoa, that's nice. Find one of those. And nothing fancy besides that, just kind of the normal stuff. But those magic clothes, they go... Mystic Robe goes with the wizard's hat, I would say. Anyway. Okay, cool. Well, that's, I think I'm going to call it with that today. I hope everybody is having a great Thursday. And, yeah. Like I said, sorry, I'm turning the music down. I hope everybody's having a great Thursday. And a productive Thursday. Looking forward to the end of the week. Yeah, anyway. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope that you enjoyed it and kind of got to check out our website and learn some new things about that. Let's see if I go back over there for a moment. So just to remind you guys, our website is cloudunderground.dev. So if you're curious in what we do or our course offerings or services or anything like that, go to our website. You should find it all. Again, it's this brand new redesigned website. So let us know what you think and if you have any problems. Join the DevSecOps Dojo if you want to get more involved in what we do and want to be part of our community. Check out the Underground Nexus here. And if you want to learn how to build a Zero Trust cockpit, you can do that with, well, if I go to our academy, with the Cloud Jitsu course. So check this out and go get a Underground Nexus instance going and install a Zero Trust cockpit in it and play around with it and see what you can do with it. It's really cool stuff. And then finally, don't forget that we have our DevSecOps 101 live workshop and hackathon coming up in the end of June, so June 24th. So if you are at all interested in getting involved with that, I encourage you to go check it out. Spots are limited, although I think I don't think there's a worry about losing out on that quite yet, but it never pays to wait, I guess. So go check it out and see if it looks like it's something worthwhile for you. It should be fun, should be a good time to network with other industry professionals and learn about, what we do and stuff like that and how DevSecOps works and etc. So anyway, I hope everybody has a great day and I will see you all next time. Thanks for joining me. Bye.